I'm Said and welcome back to my channel Said. In today's we'll try to compare the speed test between the IQ 7 versus the IQ 3 device, as you can see friends. But in this speed test I'm gonna use the 10 games. Yes friends, this is a question which was asked by plenty of users. They're actually waiting for this kind of review as well, comparing the game speed test between both phones, Snapdragon 870 versus Snapdragon 865 processor. Let's see friends, big brother wins or the small brother wins. That is what I'm going to check in this complete video. So I'll try to show you exactly what kind of RAM and everything I'm trying to use doing this kind of testing. As you can see, both phones they do have the 8GB RAM, but the big brother has got a little kind of extra support. As you can see, 8 plus 3GB, so which is present in the IQ 7 smartphone. So I'll try to check the RAM management, which phone has and which phone can actually open the games faster. These are the both two things I'll be able to concentrate in this entire video. So in case if you want to watch more speed test videos and if you want to have this kind of live wallpapers, so make sure to check the playlist friends which I have created for the wallpapers and speed test for the speed test process. That will give you the clear idea. So now let's move to the first thing. Let me try to change the live wallpaper, because obviously by doing speed test we don't want this kind of disturbance in the background. So let me try to change it. And I did change the background wallpaper as well, as you can clearly see friends. The background wallpaper is completely changed. Let me try to change the color. So both looks kind of close to each other. I just want to change some background color. Let me try to change it. Yes, so this should be kind of cool, like I would say. So now let me try to clear all the background applications. As you can see, so all the background applications are completely clean in both phones. As you can clearly see friends, no background applications. So next thing is to check whether I have connected to the same Wi-Fi network or not. Let's check, double check. So yeah, I did not connect. So let me try to connect to the 5 GHz network. So to have the faster speed, so 5 GHz network in both phones are connected. As you can see friends, same kind of Wi-Fi connection. So now we are on the same page. Now let's get started friends. Let me try to close all the background applications. Let me try to open the games. As you can see friends, these are the 10 games are selected in this kind of comparison. You can clearly see that. So top 5 games I did select kind of close to high end games, and the below are the kind of very small games, as you can see. So let's see friends which phone will be able to open faster. That is what I'm going to check right now. This is going to be really interesting thing friends. This is my first time doing the speed test comparison between both phones. So let's get started friends. Let me slightly change the angle of this camera so you'll be able to see it slightly proper in the proper way. So is both phones right now. Let me try to start with the first game, which is the Battlegrounds Mobile India gameplay. Let's see which phone will be able to open this game faster. So this is going to be really interesting thing and challenging thing as well. So in both phones they do have the ultra game mode, and the small brother did open faster, which is IQ 3. So as you can see the results, the IQ 3 did open slightly faster when you compare with the IQ 7 device. So I think the IQ 7 later did open faster. I think as you can see we did get the game open, and here in the IQ 3 device it's kind of compiling the resources. As you can see we are getting this kind of message. I'm not sure why. So maybe I'll try to restart the game and I'll try to see why it's happening. So usually it should not happen like this. So I'll try to close the game and I'll try to start again. Let's see what will happen next time if I try to do it in this way. I'm trying to close this game. So maybe the game must be update. That is the reason I think that's why we got that kind of message. Let's see next time. 1 2 3. So now the game got completely updated, I think so. Sorry for that trouble friends. So it did not happen before, but right now it did happen a little bit. I think slightly faster on the IQ 7 device, a little bit faster. We did see this kind of logo as well here. Again there is some kind of login problem. That's completely weird. So it did not happen before. Let me try to do it again. Let's see the third time what will happen. So let's see whether I'll be able to log in or not. I think yes, both phones are slightly kind of, yes, now it's kind of okay. So this is a way I just wanted to be kind of perfect friends, so that's why sorry for that trouble. And it's a PUBG game which is, the Battlegrounds mobile game is open in the background. Let's move to the next Call of Duty. Let's see the Call of Duty game, what will happen. So which phone will be able to open faster. So both phones are loading quicker, and the first phone to come is the IQ 7 device. As you can see the first phone slightly faster. As you can see we did get the message on the IQ 7 first, and then in the IQ 3 device you can clearly see the difference friends. Only little bit, few seconds difference is there, but not much difference you can actually expect between both phones, only few seconds. As you can see first it got open in the IQ 7 device. So overall till now the IQ 7 is a winner in terms of opening the games. Let's move to the next game, which is a Free Fire game. Let's see which one the Free Fire game will be able to open and show the message. I think first we did see the message here in the IQ 3 device. I think let's see which phone will be able to open first. I think both phones kind of close to each other in terms of the opening. Nothing much difference is there at this point. So next is a PUBG game. Let's see the PUBG game, which phone can open first. So both are kind of loading, as you can see. Same loading page, I think at same time. So slightly first in the IQ7. So slightly first in the IQ7 and a little bit kind of later it took in the IQ3 device. As you can clearly see, friends, the difference. Let me go back, and next is the Ace Force. So from here all this kind of small game starts. So top 4 only are the major big games, and right now both phones are okay, no problem. Let me go back. Next, open the Subway Surf. So if it's Subway Surf game, so let's see Snapdragon 865 or the 870. I think the 870. Yes, 870 did open. Little bit kind of difference, just only few seconds different. Not bad. And the Candy Crush, I think both are same. Perfect. All right. Next is Getaway 2. Let's see, friends, this game usually takes some time to open. So first in the IQ7, which is a Snapdragon 870, not bad. And next is a Temple Run. Both games are at same time. I think so, yes, at same time they did open both games. So both phones are not bad. Yes, perfectly same. As you can see, friends, next is the final game, which is a Minecraft. Let's see the Minecraft game, which phone will be able to open the faster the Minecraft. I think the IQ7, as you can see. Overall, in terms of the opening games, I did feel the IQ7 is slightly faster than the IQ3 within few seconds of delay. Not much, maybe 1 second of delay, that's it. Nothing much major. So now let's see, friends, all the 10 games are open in the background. Now you'll be able to see the completely. So in the IQ3 device, I'm not sure why I was unable to see the other games. In the IQ7, I was able to see the other games. I'm not sure what happened to those games. But let me try to come back from the final game, from the Minecraft, which just now I opened. So Temple Run, both phones, they do have the memory. So yes, this game also there in the memory, and the Candy Crush is also there in the memory. And Subway Surf, perfect. 5 games, no problem. As you can see, next is the Ace Force. Ace Force also there in the memory. As you can see, friends, clearly. Next is a PUBG. PUBG also there in the memory. Perfect. Till here completely same. Next is a Free Fire game. Free Fire game, I think not in the memory. As you can see, friends, Free Fire game is not there in the memory in the IQ3 device. So next is a Call of Duty. Call of Duty game also not there in the memory in the IQ3 device. That is another thing which I thought of mentioning, as you can see clearly. So next is a Battlegrounds mobile gameplay. Both phones are completely same to each other. As you can see, friends, overall the IQ7 did manage to come up to Call of Duty, and whereas the IQ3 did manage up to come up to PUBG. That is a quick comparison, friends. So now let me try from the again last. Let's see what will happen. Out of curiosity, I'm just trying from the last again. So IQ7, as you can see, it did not get reloaded the Temple Run. I'm just trying multiple cases. This game is reloading in this phone, as you can clearly see, friends, what is happening. Candy Crush did not get loaded. Subway Surf again got loaded in this phone in the IQ3. You can see IQ7 did not get loaded. I think the extended rank capabilities is really helping in the IQ7 device. I think so, to keep all these kind of applications and games in the background memories. So that's a really good advantage. Free Fire game, as you can see, friends, that's completely good. So maybe this game Ultra Turbo mode, which is present in the IQ3 device, maybe this might be killing all the background applications. That might be the another thing as well. There's another thing which you need to consider as well before coming to the conclusions. But overall, the clear winner is the IQ7 device in terms of the speed test, in terms of keeping the application in the background memory as well. So thank you, friends, for watching this video, and for more interesting videos, make sure to check the links in description. So don't forget to subscribe and share my videos with your friends as well, in case if they are planning to buy the smartphone. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.